I was challenged by Deep Indian Kitchen to make something that I've never made or had before. I got to looking around and I found a recipe that I think I can make. I'll have a flavor I can compare it to. This time I put that up there just to keep it safe. Get a little bit of prep work done beforehand. I had to slice up half a red onion. I cut up our chicken into bite-sized pieces, marinating them in that UFO salt, extraterrestrial pepper, a little bit of chili powder, ground allspice, ground ginger, ground coriander. I'm gonna set that off for about 10 to 20 minutes to let that marinate. Since this is supposed to be a 30-minute meal, let's get busy. Pan up to medium-high heat. We're gonna add in a couple tablespoons of oil. Red onion. Bring these down till they're nice and caramelized. Steam some of these up just to give them a taste so I have something to compare the flavor to on this dish. They're full of a good creamy chicken flavor. Tried the steamed momos by themselves, and I'm actually pretty excited for what this ends up to be. Now that we've got some good caramelization, toss in our chicken. Now I personally don't have any Indian ancestry in my blood, but if you do, make sure you kick this chicken to 165 or you might meet them. Here we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of butter. Chicken's cooked, 1.5 cups chicken stock, 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons of plain Jane Greek yogurt. I always like to get my spoon up in there and make sure it gets all off that. Now stir lightly, let this come to a simmer so you can watch the magic happen. I know what you're thinking, where's the 2 other masala ingredients that you're missing? You can find them at my local store. I'll clean this up, we're just gonna add us a little bit of cornstarch slurry and hope for the best. 2 tablespoons of heavy cream just to give it that glorious color that you used to always see in. Give this sauce a little bit of a taste test. I just wanted to go till it's thick so it'll cover the back of a spoon. It needs a few more seasonings. Just added some garlic powder to my liking and a little bit of onion powder. What? You need some salt. Coming in for another taste. That's hot. It's pretty fire. Before you add your momo dumplings, make sure you pull out your chutney there. I was an adventurer like you until I forgot to pull out my chutney. 2 bags of frozen momos. We're gonna get those nice and submerged into the sauce before we lid it and let these just chill out for about 10 minutes. Is this the right lid? Nope. Well, I can't find a lid, but these things come in handy for a lot of other things. Oh no, it's an aluminum tin. Throw down a hot pad so you don't burn your wife's counter. Ba, 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 ba. This stuff actually might be a win. It's really good. We're gonna top this with just a little bit more heavy cream to give it the look. I think we did it. Sorry I had to take a few minutes to take some professional photos there. I had just a little bit of cilantro at the top just to give it a pop of color. Now let's get this thing out and try it. Is the move a plate or a bowl? Go with the bowl. Got a little bit of everybody in there. I'm gonna steal a couple sprigs of that cilantro there. I mean, would you just look at it? I had the ones that were steamed in the microwave and those were good. I bet these are gonna be even better. Hold up. Get the baby bottle out. He gets hungry too. And those dumplings are absolutely fire. If you're asking me if it's spicy, there's a little bit of kick in there, but not that much. These momos just have just like a little bit, you know. To be 100% honest with you, would I have ever went out of my way to order butter chicken at a restaurant? Probably not. But now I'm a believer. So now whenever we go out to the restaurant, if I see it's on the menu, I'm gonna give it a try. This may have not been like as good as what it should be, but it was good enough to whet my whistle and pique my interest. I'm not lying that I like that a lot. I like that a lot, like a lot. For more easy meal ideas you can make during the week just like this one, go ahead and hit that follow button. Now if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go eat me some dumplings.